guys, good morning. How was your night? Welcome to a new vlog. I just woke up. You can see my face, like it's really oily. I just, for some reason, my lips has been getting darker. I don't know why. So I made a pink lips balm. That's what I've been using, and it has been working well. Like my lips has been doing a lot better. Jesse's here. Jesse, hi. You just woke up. Hi. So yeah, now I'm trying to take my skin very serious because I'll be doing skincare content on this channel. That's it. I've been using it on my lips, and it has been doing wonders. You don't know why. You guys, my bed is a mess. Just leave us. Just don't worry. Use this morning and evening. I use this. This is like my lip cream now. I'm going to. This thing will be on my lips. All right. Just take a look at this. Sophia, how about you enjoy your brother? Are you having fun as well? Yes, you are. Guys, this rice is so sweet. Like my husband said, it's giving party jollof rice a vibe. This is just like our last rice in this house, and it's so sweet and so yummy and so delicious. But then the food not many. The food not many. Can you guys just imagine? What are you saying? Papa? Yes? Yes?
I just can't get you out of my head. Girl, your loving is all I think about. I just can't get you out of my head. Girl, it's more than I dare to think about. La 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 la.
Hi guys, happy Mother's Day. Today is Mother's Day, and I'm so tired. My husband made lunch in bed for me. According to him, he said it's lunch in bed. So I'm about to eat the lunch in bed. Let me show you guys his own packaging. This is my husband's idea of lunch in bed. He could not put it in a plate, so he brought it for me to eat it inside the pot that I made it. No insect, no egg, no protein. We'll try eat it like that because I'm very hungry to even complain. Yeah, so let's eat. Right? You did not bring water for me. You did not bring water for me. Okay. Thank you. What? Why did you not put it in a plate?
And the package that to show say I really appreciate you.
What do you appreciate now? You want to do something, breakfast, beauty color, lunch in bed.
To show you say
you know people put time for plate.
This one had the swag. This one swag plenty words.
No protein, no egg, nothing.
You know they see onion.
Onion na protein.
Pepper, tomato. Okay, let's go and eat our diet. Let's leave them.
Can you guys just imagine? I don't get trust na my shopper. So now you packaging, so you want to appreciate me. Okay, what are you doing here?
This is high.
Daddy's calling you.
I just can't get you out of my head. Girl, your loving is all I think about. I just can't get you out of my head. Girl, it's more than I did.
I'll just go to the bathroom and wash off my face and I'll be right back. Bread run your face. I've done our face, you guys. I could not. This is not a makeup tutorial, so I can't show you guys everything. I'll be using my royal. So I'm just going to use this caramel. This is caramel. I'm just going to go over with this caramel. Guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. I need to blend that face properly. From Shawn Williams. They will not allow me just record, as in just record. They're always in my business. They're always in my business. Don't be my business, baby. Get out. Bye. See you.
Bye.
You guys, I am so done. Nigeria, it's not for the weak. It's not for the weak, you guys. At this point, my husband should come and pay another bride price, because what is this? Who is this? Because who is this? Who is this? Who is this girl? Who is this girl? You guys, I have 3 sit-down videos to film right now. I have 3 sit-down videos to film right now. I don't even know. Time has gone. This is to 1 already. I've not even started. I'm supposed to put this. Where is it now? I don't know. You'll be looking for something all of a sudden. You will not see it again. I should change my hair. Or if I should use this one. Oh wow. I don't have that power to. We're fighting with lashes today because there's no light. The weather is hot. So it's not for the week. Okay. I'll see you guys when I'm done with my sit-down videos. I don't know if I should wear neck chain. Do you guys think it will be busy? Should I pack this hair like this? No, I think if I pack it to be fine now. No, I'm going to pack it. Alright, I'll see you guys when I'm done with that. It's the sit-down video. Packing it will be better. Hi, my loves. We are done. Are we done? Yes, we are done, right?
Say we are done. We are done, right? It's still right there. Yes. Hi, so we are done with the content. I could not finish. I was supposed to film 4 videos today, sit down videos, but I was able to film just one because my phone has been acting up. I don't know what is wrong with this phone. This is just a sign that I need to get a new one. So you guys, if you have any phone, any iPhone that you're no longer using again, because the way I am now, I'm not sure I will be able to use another phone apart from iPhone, though it's not going to work. So if you have any iPhone from iPhone S, please help your girl. Help your girl, right? Baba, get your mouth. Yeah, I'll see you guys around on the vlog. I might talk to you guys in this vlog. I might not talk to you guys again, but if I do, okay. If I don't, see you guys in my next one, right? Thanks a lot. If you're watching this video, thank you very much. I really appreciate this giveaway, this gift that you gifted to me. Thank you very much. It really means a lot to me. I used to have this tripod before, Okay, but this tripod is bad. My daughter sports it. That's why I entered for the giveaway. It doesn't stand properly, so thank you very much for this one. It's so it's so strong. Like, thank you very much. But I don't know how to put this thing, but definitely I will figure it out. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you for this gift. Okay.